Hey guys, we've got another problem. You see, I am playing fetch with Gumbo here in my backyard, but I keep throwing it so far he doesn't know how many steps he has to take or how long he should go to get the toy. So he's just running around here and he doesn't know which measurement to use. So I thought you could help me out. So here I am on my porch and I'm going to throw his toy really far as I can throw it, okay? Okay, here it is. It's a little bit dirty. It's his little Finding Nemo toy, but it's a little bit crazy right now. Ready? I'm going to throw it as far as I can. Ah! Whoa! Now, I need your help. Which tool should we use to measure how far I am right now to Gumbo's toy? We have 4 options. Here's our first option. Centimeter cubes. Do you think that we should measure with centimeter cubes from here all the way to the toy? Do you think that'd be a good tool? Think in your brain. What about paper clips? Do you think we could measure from here all the way over there to where his toy is with paper clips? What about a ruler? Could we use this one ruler to measure from here where I'm sitting all the way over there? Remember, this is the ruler that has our centimeters on one side and inches on the other. Or finally, should we use this meter stick to figure out how many meters are from here all the way to there? It's a pretty long distance, so think in your brain, what would be the best tool to use? You're going to pick it on the next slide.